One of the hair trends that we both really don't like, and we were talking about it today, at the moment, all the hair trends are pretty good. Like, they're not too gross or too far. But the worst one was probably when balayage first came in. And it was like super, super dark.
And then like white.
And there was just
like no blend.
Yeah, it looks like someone had dunked their head in a thing of paint.
Yeah,
and it was what everyone wanted.
Yeah.
I have been asked for the reverse ombre. Reverse balayage. Light at the roots, dark at the ends. I'm not okay with it. I gave it to them.
I did it. I'm just not happy about it. And then we very regularly have people come in and ask for perms. And we just do not do them. No way. That's a no. It's a hard no. That's my safe word. Perm. It's a no. Well, we can't say the name.
My least favorite product is I hate it.
Hannah will not do your hair if you come in with on it.
But there are definitely some toning shampoos that are so aggressive that they'll just turn all of our lightning silvery blue.
Yes.
And yeah, your whole head just looks silver.
I've had it go green on me before.
Yeah, it goes like
That was
fluoro
not fun.
green.
Yeah. I was watching it before my eyes, like what is going on here? And then we got to the bottom of it and worked it out.
Yeah. Some people don't tell you that's on their hair. And they're like, oh, why's my hair green? Well, I know we tell you guys how to use products, but sometimes I think that people don't always.
They don't listen.
No. We've had some shockers with misusing of products.
Yeah.
There's a reason we explain how to use our colour shampoos. We don't think you're silly. We just know that we've both done it.
Yeah.
So when you're using it, make sure you don't go on top of your head because
Otherwise you end up with a big just patch of colour right where you've popped it.
Bethany misuses granite hairspray. She always fogs up the mirrors with the granite. Says it wasn't her. She's the only one that makes a cloud in the morning and then walks through it. But yeah, sorry Bethany.
One time she did get locked out of the salon for that kind of behavior. Being like, can I come back in yet? I'm like, have you learnt your lesson? I've definitely had a girlfriend who is a bit of a Canadian hippie, and she'd come in with a bun on her head, and I'd be like, when is the last time you shampooed it? And she'd be like, shampoo it. I bought dry shampoo from you. It's fine. That's not shampoo.
That is just dry.
Yeah, that's make it last one more day. That's not shampoo. And she'd be like, shit, well, I've been using it. I'm like, she's like, besides, I need more. I'm like, I'm not giving you any more. You are banned from dry shampoo.
Cut off.
You hooligan.
Oh, we haven't discussed the men.
That's easy. So, with men, the less questions you ask, the better. Because they're already super uncomfortable. Because they're like, usually like 1 on 9 in here. They're like totally outnumbered. So if you just be like, hey, do you like this, this, and this? And go. Because as soon as you start doing stuff, they're fine. But when you're asking them questions, they're like, oh, I don't know, like a number 3.
I mean, they come in here to get hoot and holler done. Really.
Oh, I think so.
Because they know it's going to happen.
If they come to Becky B, it's because they want to get hit on. Because you know that's going to happen.
it's awkward enough cutting men's hair, especially if they're attractive and they smell good.
Yeah.
I get like a stress rash. I get really flustered.
Yeah, you do get flustered.
We don't do it all the time, so if like a hot one comes in, you don't know whether to flirt or be like professional, and it just muddles up in this like awkward schoolgirl act. Doesn't matter. Not when we cut our partners there, they're fine.
I've definitely had a guy from Tinder book in for a hair appointment. I pretended like I didn't recognize him, and definitely avoided the question. But that's
When? At Becky B Hair.
oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
because my first couple of years I was single as shit, and
And a lady.
and yeah, you're like swiping, and it said on the thing, owner of Becky B Hair, and then sure enough, all kinds of men show up for a random haircut. Drunk or not, I still know my shit. Can I spill my glass out? No!
What?